Throughout time, the construction and development of new structures have served as a hallmark of the time in which they were created. Important periods of history can be differentiated based solely on the building practices and the raw materials utilized, creating a visible timeline as a reference for such progress. As technology and architectural science advance, and as the world population expands, necessitating additional development, these practices have begun to shift.
If you think about the building industry and construction in general historically, what we've always done as people is we've looked at it from the standpoint of the impact that nature and the natural world has on the built environment. And what we've seen in recent decades is that there's actually a balance. And we need to look at the built environment in the context of the effects that we create on the natural environment as a result of our activities. It's the most conspicuously consumptive activity known to man.
While some building practices and materials remain mired in an outdated model, many new products have been developed to meet the specific needs of future inhabitants by combining a lower carbon footprint with exemplary performance and minimal maintenance.
We live in a society where technology is advancing at a pace that is just unprecedented. So there are advances in material science and engineering and design that we really didn't have access to 10, 15 years ago. So what industry is doing is looking at incorporating these technologies to meet that pull from the market for more sustainable products. And it's in some cases being employed to more effectively produce traditional type products, to looking at more composite, higher technology type products that are engineered to give certain properties that are going to meet the needs of the building market of the future.
Boral Industries has continued to set a standard for cutting-edge building products and acts as a catalyst for these shifts in the industry as a whole. By utilizing lean manufacturing, new chemistry processes, and nanotechnology, the building industry is being revolutionized from the inside out.
Well, I think the advances that we've seen over the last 50 years are significant, because we've been able to re-engineer a lot of the products in order to be able to reduce the weight, to be able to extend into different areas of climatic zones. And particularly in the re-roofing sector, we've introduced lightweight products that can be used to re-roof the home without any additional strengthening of the structure of the home.
Here at the Boral USA Innovation Center, top scientists in their respective fields have gathered under one roof to collaborate and push the industry into exciting new directions.
We think that Boral is a leader in this arena because they are constantly pushing the envelope on finding more efficient ways to use the natural resources that are available, and in creating products that help us to reduce the demand on non-renewables and on products that may be in limited resource.
There's certainly opportunities if you select the right technologies, apply the right engineering principles, that we can utilize higher contents of recycled material. We can design products to take advantage of new material science and new materials, so that not only do they have a very effective green story, but they're very functional as well. In some cases, they're actually offering improvements over existing products at a comparable price.
As Boral Industries continues to push for innovation in the building science fields, construction and installation on all projects will provide living and working environments that are more sustainable and more comfortable.
What we try to do in a lot of instances is to reproduce traditional materials by using new and innovative materials. So from an aesthetic, you get, let's say, a tile roof that would sort of mimic tile roofs in Italy, in some of these beautiful towns where everything's tile. But actually, the material that we use in that tile might be something totally different.
We're going to continue to make improvements to our existing product line. We're going to continue to make our products better, offer more value to our customer, be more sustainable. But in addition, we're going to look more broadly for external technologies, new technologies that can open the door to the market of the future.
Boral Industries, build something great. For more information, visit boralna.com.